Selling money at a discount. That's what I'm going to talk about on this very short video. This comes from my book, Stay Home and Sell, on page 28. So here it is. Here's what I wrote in my book, and then I'll expand on this idea. Strive to sell dollars for dimes. Think about that. Selling dollars for dimes. That's your goal here. Your primary goal is to prove that what you have to offer will make them and not cost them money. Or it will give them benefits that far exceed the amount of money that you're asking for in return. So in some situations you're showing them how they'll lose money by not doing business with you. That's the attitude that you have to carry. And it's your ultimate challenge, and I'll give you some ideas about how we do that. So what people really want is not cheap stuff at all. This is one of the things that I didn't know when I first got started. I mean, my very first business in 1985 was a carpet and upholstery cleaning business, and I was the cheapest date in town. Okay, that was my only real thing. I just sell it cheap. So I offered carpet and upholstery cleaning for the lowest possible prices, and that's what I thought I had to do. And it worked. You know, there's always those people that want a cheap date. I don't want to go into any sexual analogies or anything like that, but when it comes to low price, look, there's always takers. There's always people that say, you know, is that the best you can do? Is that the best you can do? Is that the best you can do? But what people really want is not low prices. They want extreme value for the lowest price. They want to get the biggest bang for their buck. They want to feel good about the fact that they're getting extreme value for the lowest price. So it's up to you and your complete marketing system to prove that what you offer is extreme value for the lowest price. And whenever possible, you want to build the value up. The man who made my wife Eileen and I millionaires, our first mentor, Russ Von Holscher, somebody I still work with today, he told us that he used to worry that he was loading up his offers with too many bonuses, and it was just going to sound unbelievable. You're going to get this, and you're going to get this, and you're going to get this. Plus, if you act today, you're going to get this, and you're going to get this, and you're going to get this. And he would just think to himself, oh my God, he's going to lose sales because people are going to think, oh, this is just way over the top. But now he only worries about the opposite. He only worries that maybe he's not giving them enough bonuses. He's not giving them enough value. And that's the right mentality in this world that we live in. Because maybe he's right. Maybe, or he was right in his initial assumption that, you're going to load up these offers with so much value that people are going to say, oh, this is just too unbelievable, and they're all going to walk away. Maybe there are some people that are going to be just like that. But for every one of those people, God only knows. If you can do again, it's all in how you set up your marketing. You have to prove to people that you really do have the goods, that you really can deliver, that you really are the one that they're seeking. But once you do all of that, you make your case, and you show them that what you offer really can deliver on all of the promises and then some. Now you want to load up your offers with as many free bonuses or no risk. We use a concept we call risk reversal. Risk reversal simply means it's better than your money back. Money back guarantees are just so boring. And, you just want to yawn. Everybody offers a money back guarantee. Boring. What we do is we have better than money back guarantees. It's called risk reversal. It puts, and we even say it like this in our pitch, it puts all of the benefits on their side of the court so that they have all the power. And people love that. People want that. Our job is to give them what they love, give them what they want. That's what they want. They want offers that are lopsided in their favor. And so selling money at a discount just means building it up, giving them extreme value for their money, making it irresistible. Irresistible offers. Offers that are so good, the prospective buyer, assuming that they're the right prospect, which your marketing system then brings those small group of the very best people within your market to you, and then it's up to you to create those offers that are so irresistible, they simply can't resist it. They have to buy. They can't possibly say no if they're the right prospect and if you've done your job right. Now, we teach our clients how to do this, so if you're one of our clients, you're learning all of this. If you're not one of our clients and you're somehow found this on YouTube or whatever, click the link below and find out how we can help you do this so that you really are selling dollars for dimes. And you're doing a good job of it. So it's not just hype. You're really convincing people. So thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.